is our special guest, and she did not wear her heels today.
I did not.
So to make her feel tall, I went down, but I think I'm going to have to go elevator up. So I'm going to tell the camera operators I'm going to go elevator up.
Okay.
Elevator up.
Woo!
Because my thighs won't hold out that long. All right. Nice to see you, friend.
You did that for a few minutes, though.
I'll tell you what.
Good for
I mean,
you.
since I lost some weight, I'm able to do it a little longer. But when I was heavier, all bets are off. All right. Now, this is very, very exciting because these are cereal keepers. All we have to do is say cereal keepers or containers from LocknLock.
Yep.
And they fly out the door. Here you get a set of 2. You choose your color. The bottom portion of the container is clear.
That's right.
The color is in the lid. There's still a silicone seal, which means
airtight, watertight. You're going to keep the freshness in. Your cereal's not going to go stale or anything else you put in here.
I also notice that when you open this, I hear a click.
You hear that little click, right? So
if I hear that click, what does that mean?
It means it is going to stay. It won't flop when you're trying to pour, so I love that.
So if you're pouring out snack crackers or cereal or kibble
See how it's staying up? Yep, exactly.
And then it will close, but you have to push it to close.
That's right.
And then once you push it closed, it's airtight and watertight.
That's exactly right.
All right, now this is brand new today. It's today only price. What I was trying to explain earlier when I was acting a little silly. I know, hard to believe. This is a price only good until the end of the day or until the item sells out, whichever happens first.
That's right.
Now you get a set of 2 of these for $17.98. I know, incoming. This is going to be very, very exciting and free shipping and handling and easy pay.
Okay, time to shop.
How many cups of capacity in each one?
14 cups, so it's a total of 28 cups of capacity that you're getting here. And David, not just for your cereal and your dry foods, but you also can see here, we have 3 heads of romaine lettuce in this one, and then you have your strawberries in here. And doesn't that just look colorful, appetizing, and makes you want to reach for those healthier things sometimes?
We go to the market and romaine lettuce is BOGO, buy one, get one, right? So where do you store the second one, right?
Yeah.
And the grocery store manager is hoping that you buy 2 or get 2, and one goes bad, and then you're back to the store getting more.
Right.
Strangely, when you go back to the store the second time, they're off BOGO.
Yeah, isn't that interesting?
And the same happens with strawberries. Where are you going to store the extra strawberries? Now you're going to pop them inside your LocknLock. Now we have colors.
Yes, we do.
We have lots of colors.
Okay.
And remember, you're going to buy these in groups of 2. You get 2 of these for $17.98 and free shipping and handling and easy pay. I know, incoming. This is
red.
The red. I can't quite see, so I'm going to come around here.
Yep.
All right, this is the red, 3,000 available. Here is the clear, 2,500. Then we have it for you in denim blue, 2,000. Next to that is called plumberry. I want to live on Plumberry Lane.
Yeah, I know.
Plumberry Lane.
We're gonna get you there.
I don't know where.
We are going to get you there.
I don't know if there is such a street, but I would like to live there.
Yeah.
And then we have a golden sand, 1,500. Down below is forest green.
Yep, new color this year.
How many? 1,400 in forest green. This is spearmint.
Oh yeah.
We have 2,100 in the spearmint. Okay. And then we have platinum.
Another new color.
Another new color.
Yep.
And how many are in platinum? 1,000 to go around.
Yep.
Please use QVC.com or mobile apps because that price is not a misprint. That's $17.98 for 2. People wonder, where are the deals on QVC?
We've got them.
It's the year 2025 and the price of everything seems to be going up and up and up.
And the price of food goes up and up and up. And this is a way to keep it fresher longer, right?
Because and so that way your grocery bill is not going up.
So the cardboard boxes keep nothing fresh. We all know this. You try to roll down the bag inside of the cereal box. That doesn't work either. So you take it out. I know what you want to do. Go ahead.
Go ahead and
take
check,
see if it's fresh.
No.
Oh, no? Okay.
I want to take the whole thing out. And this box that does not... That's what I want to do with that one.
I thought you were going to test for freshness. I know you could do that, you know?
I could do that too.
Okay, so as you can see,
that's a whole box.
It's a whole box, and don't be deceived, you know? That is a whole box of cereal in here. So 14 cups of cereal, you
now
going
I'll
in?
check it to make sure it's fresh.
I don't want to get your fingers.
Make sure it's
you
safe.
don't want to lock you in there. So then you just put that lid on. Because now you're airtight, you're watertight, you're BPA free. These are dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe, so it's berry crunch.
It's called berry corn crunch.
So pouring that right in the bowl, you're noticing that this stays up because, you know, it's not going to flop. I love that. Now, when you shut it, you're airtight and watertight again. David, not just, I'm gonna put this down here, not just for your cereal. I showed you some of the cold things you put in the refrigerator.
Right.
Also, your soups. If you're making those big batch soups, you could put these in the freezer. You could put drinks in here. You could put them on the door of your refrigerator, which is really nice because they're a nice size to do that.
A lot of people ask the question, how do you make soup last longer for the whole family? You add one of two ingredients. Either small pasta, like what is a little tiny Italian pasta?
Pastina. Pastina. Oh, my favorite.
Pastina, or the little
orzo.
Orzo, or the kind that you put in wedding soup. What it starts with a D.
Oh yeah, ditalini.
Ditalini.
Yeah, yeah.
Or you can put rice in soup.
Yes.
And rice will make it go further.
Yes, it will.
So if you're looking to make a homemade something or another last a little longer, those are the things you want to add.
How about your pet food? So this, I believe, is cat food here. And you can put your dog food in here. You could put the bones in here. The treats can go in here. Get a little, there you go. Check it out. Because what do you do with this,
we
David?
need to take what's left in the bag and put it in Fido's bowl.
Yeah, what do you do with this, right? So, very little left. I could get it in here. I just didn't want to spill it. You know. But then, when it's time for Fido to eat, just pour it right in the bowl.
Because you know what Fido's going to do? Fido's going to pick it up, drop it on the floor, and then eat it off the floor. I don't understand why they do that. I grew up with dogs. I don't understand why they do that, but they do that. All right, now,
You're right.
I have color choices. I'm going to run out here in front of the display because I can't quite see them from the back. All right, this is the red. I have clear, most popular. This is called denim blue. This is called plumberry. Golden sand. Is this emerald green?
No, that's forest green.
Forest green, forest green. Then spearmint. But if you want platinum, I have only 900 remaining. Now, 2,000 sets are gone. We are very, very busy, miss.
So check this out. You have your granola bars. Another thing that comes in your cardboard boxes. I don't like these because you know why? I don't know when I'm down to the end. So if I go in after the kids have been in my pantry, I'm guaranteed to find one or none because I can't see. And they don't say, hey, Mom.
Or none.
Mom, we don't have any more.
Do you pack lunches for your littles?
I sure do. Every night I make it before, bed. I stay up late, so I do it either at night, rarely in the morning. I'm not an early bird, I do have to get up, but I prefer to do things at night.
Fair enough.
But I pack them their lunches. But look, we could just keep going. That's already 2 boxes of the granola bars. So you have these that you could put in there. David, now we know how many we have, when we need to replenish. And that's not just with the granola bars. That's with
these
everything.
Brown ones?
Okay, they're chocolate chip.
Oh, yum.
You want that for the road?
No, I should say no.
And then I could get in another box. And while I'm opening this, let's not forget about meal prep you could put in here. You could put some veggies in there for your stir fry. You could do your sausage and peppers in these. So many different options. And then again, you could see everything. Oh, I even have ice melt in this right there for when, because today we're getting hit with the snow.
Oh,
yeah. There you have it.
Fantastic.
There you go.
You know what I'm having for my dinner tonight?
What are you having?
Before I left the house, I put 2 ribeye steaks in the fridge to thaw. I'm going to pan sear them on top of the stove.
Okay.
I'm going to serve them with probably broccoli.
All right, I love broccoli.
And that's my dinner.
I like it.
Low carb, high protein.
That's right.
And high flavor.
There you go. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Yummy.
All right. Very good. Thank you all so much.
Now, is it time to go over here? Rachel.